have so many case studies also that I can share of different clients din, of different properties. Iba-iba yung growth nila, pero lahat talaga pataas. So, example, in BGC, Bonifacio Global City.
Yeah.
So, in Bonifacio Global City, back when it was just
20?
parang mga 20 years din.
20 years ago?
Yes.
Oo.
So, bago lang siya when I started.
Oo.
So, we were selling properties there nasa mga 80,000 per square meter in peso.
Oo.
During that time, 80,000 per square, parang people would just buy Makati.
Oo.
Kasi, ay, ano ba yan? Ba't nandyan? Tapos 80,000 per
Oo.
square.
Oo.
Pero ngayon, 450,000, 600,000 per square per property.
Wow.
So,
Ang laki
yun-
nun, times 8. Oo.
So, yun na yung current selling price of pre-selling properties in the Philippines. So, like example, and for Serenja,
Oo.
a 2-bedroom before would be around 6, 7, 8, 9 million.
Oo. Oo.
And then, right now, nasa mga 40M for the same size.
Oh,
After ilang years lang. Like, so, it's very, very, very ang taas ng capital
Oo,
appreciation.
oo,
So, you
oo.
have the rental,
Oo.
tapos you have capital appreciation pa. And it doesn't happen anywhere. So, what would, like, parang in general, the prices anywhere in the Philippines tataas. Pero in some areas, mas malaki yung tinataas niya because na rin of the master plan of the development, the vicinity as well.
Oo.
So, it's a major factor din kung bakit nag-appreciate yung value.